lifeless, dry, frizzy hair, and let's not even get into this dandruff situation. Whoa. But I've got the perfect hair mask solution using these key ingredients: mayonnaise, olive oil, coconut oil, rosemary essential oil, honey, avocado, and egg. To make this hair mask, you're going to start by removing the skin and the pit from your avocado, placing it into a bowl. You're then going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of unrefined coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, followed by 1 tablespoon of organic or raw honey, and your egg. I'm using a cage-free organic brown egg. You're then going to take all of the ingredients and combine it into a food processor or blender or whatever you have. You can also blend these ingredients by hand. Next, I'm going to pour it back into my bowl and add in about 10 to 15 drops of rosemary essential oil, and then mix that all in together. So next, you want to start by sectioning your hair into 4 sections, clipping each section out of the way with a hair clip. Olive oil is hydrating and helps to protect your hair from damage. Honey is a natural humectant. Try to say that 3 times fast. It helps to retain moisture. Olive oil is great for rejuvenating and moisturizing the scalp. Egg is protein packed with biotin and folic acid and vitamin A and D. Mayonnaise is really good for helping to hydrate your hair, restoring the natural pH balance. Coconut oil is good to grow your hair and help to protect from buildup of sebum on your hair follicles. Rosemary essential oil is good to stimulate hair growth, and the list goes on. Once you're done clipping up all the sections, you then want to start by adding your deep conditioner to the exposed scalp area. So here, I'm just applying it to the parts that I sectioned off, and then I'm just going to massage it into my scalp. So here is a close-up of me massaging the deep conditioner into my scalp. Next, you want to take the section and split it in half, and then you'll apply the deep conditioner to your hair. I like to start at the roots and work my way down, or you can do the ends of your hair and then work your way up. Either way, it's no particular order, but I do make sure that I massage the mix onto my scalp, so that way I am nourishing not only my hair but also my scalp, and I apply a generous amount to my hair. Once I finish one half, I will go to the other half and do the same thing. Just apply the mix to my hair and rubbing it into my scalp, giving myself a really nice massage, and then I'll make sure to coat my ends and the rest of my hair with the conditioner. Next, I want to make sure that I distribute the product all throughout that section, so I'm going to just comb my hair by detangling it with a white tooth comb, and then I will just roll that up and clip it back up and move on to the next section. So you'll just follow the steps as before until each section until you have completed your entire head. It's beneficial to section your hair into 4 sections. That way you ensure even distribution of the hair mask and you cover every ounce of your hair with all that goodness. Now feel free to take away or add ingredients to this hair mask. You can customize it and make it to your liking. I want to also make sure that I get the back of my hair, the kitchen area, because sometimes I do forget to condition that area and it does get dry. Also, I want to make sure not to neglect my baby hairs, because you know, gotta keep the baby hairs popping. Next, I'm going to take a plastic bag and tie it onto my hair. If you don't have a plastic bag, you can also use a shower cap, but I like to use a plastic bag because I can just throw it away after I'm done and I don't have to wash it after. So I'm just tying this to my head, and once I have that tied, I'm going to leave it on my hair for about an hour or more just to let it penetrate. I've washed all of the product out with shampoo, and then I conditioned my hair, applied my hair products, and this is the final result. So as you can see, the dandruff is pretty much gone. My hair is very shiny, very soft, and it feels really good. Hopefully you'll give this hair mask a try. It worked wonders for my hair. And let me know if you want to see any more hair videos. Until next time.